Nervous? Nigga, nervous does not coexist in this human form of this extra-logical, upper echelon body of mine.
Fish and chips on the west coast. Yo, fish and chips on the west coast. Stuck at my granddad's eating toast. Roasting my marshmallow, but I really don't want to boast. That's kind of a fresh wardrobe. You already know I saw my granddad's chode. Can't lie, kinda look like an earlobe. Bro, your bum looks like it needs a probe. Yo, not an infection. When I got AIDS, I got an erection. You know that I left it in my bro's comment section. LiammyThe4th.
Yo, I know I'm not a dwarf, but my granddad's dick looks like a smurf. Already know that Smurfs be rapping, they're not capping, but my core scooter has a bandana on his cock. Already know my brick gave me slop top, riding in the west coast in a drop top. Already know that I got that slop. Yo, my bandana rides on his cars, cause his cars are kinda big and they look like twigs. If I see a shop, then I get some licks. See a pretty girl, then she gets this dick. But I run away from my number plate like 807010JH.
Yo, you already know that I'm sitting on the grass, drinking cola out of a glass. You already know I'll shove it up your ass, but I don't really care if it's a little bit sharp. You already know that I just caught a carp, sitting on your teeth, sitting on your lap. If I wrap you up, I'll wrap you with tarp. You smell like a fucking retard. You already know that I quiet it down, even though I have Down syndrome. Can't even lie and I control a bone. Sit in my room eating my ramen noodles, and guess what? I'm all alone. Sitting at 99, 100 degrees. You already know that I be penalizing trees until my bro gets stung by bees.